This bird stinks, literally. Meet the Hoatzin, one of the strangest birds on planet Earth. Locals call it the stink bird, and for good reason. It reeks of fresh cow dung because of what's happening inside its body. Unlike any other bird, the Hoatzin digests food like a cow. It has a massive, multi-chambered crop that ferments leaves using bacteria, just like a cow's stomach. This process releases methane gas that the bird belches out, creating that signature manure smell. But here's where it gets prehistoric. Hoatzin chicks are born with 2 claws on each wing, like dinosaur hands. When predators attack the nest, the chicks drop into the water below, swim to safety, then use those claws to climb back up the tree like tiny velociraptors. The claws disappear as they grow up, but scientists can't agree where this bird even came from. Some think it split from other birds 64 million years ago, right after the dinosaurs went extinct. Others say it's an evolutionary orphan with no close relatives alive today. The Hoatzin is literally the only species in its entire order. It doesn't fit anywhere in the bird family tree. Part cow, part dinosaur, all weird. The Hoatzin, nature's weirdest bird.